Good day, sir. My name is Anasar M. Alfonso from BSc-1B. This is my video presentation of organic agriculture. Organic agriculture is a farming system that relies on natural process and ecological balance rather than synthetic inputs like chemical fertilizer, pesticides, and genetically modified organisms. It emphasizes soil health, biodiversity, and sustainability to produce food that is environmentally friendly and safe to consumption. The principle of organic agriculture. 1. Health. Organic farming aims to sustain and enhance the health of soil, planets, animals, humans, and the planet. It avoids synthetic chemicals that may harm ecosystem and human health. 2. Ecology. Organic agriculture works with natural ecosystem rather than against them. It emphasizes biodiversity, crop protection, composting, and natural pests control to maintain soil fertility and ecological balance. 3. Fairness. The organic system promotes fairness in the relationships between farmers, workers, trades, and consumers. It ensures fair wages, ethical treatment of animals, and access to healthy food for all. And last is care. Organic agriculture is based on precautionary and responsible management practices. It avoids technologies and methods that pose risks to the environment and nature regeneration, prioritizing long-term sustainability. Importance of organic agriculture. Soil and fertility. Organic farming improves soil structure, enhances microbial activity, and prevents soil ignition. For example, to avoid chemical fertilizers instead, for example, in India, organic farms using compost and biofertilizer have reported higher soil organic matter and better water retention. Environmental sustainability. Organic agriculture reduces pollution, conserves water, and lowers carbon emissions by avoiding synthetic pesticides and fertilizer. It prevents contamination to rivers and groundwater. Example, in the U.S. Rodale Institute's long-term organic trials shown reduce carbon footprint and improve resilience to climate change. Biodiversity and ecosystem balance. Organic farms support greater biodiversity by maintaining natural habitats and avoiding toxic chemicals that harm beneficial organisms. Example, in Costa Rica, organic coffee farms support more bird species than conventional plantation, helping maintain ecological balance for human health and food safety. Organic food was fewer pesticide residues and higher levels of beneficial nutrients like antioxidants. It reduces exposure harmful chemicals like to health problems. Example, studies have shown that organic produce often contains higher vitamin C and omega-3 fatty acids compared to conventionally grown food. 5. Economic and social benefits for farmers. Organic farming provides long-term economic stability for farmers by reducing input costs, synthetic fertilizer, and accessing premium organic markets. Example, in Uganda, organic certified coffee farmers earn up to 30% more than conventional farmers, improving livelihoods.